D-Dot, man. You know I had to be on YouTube for this one. This call so easy. Shout outs to Anita Baker. Yeah, you know I had to go off this, right? I just want to let y'all hear my freestyle, man. Cause my life ain't easy, so, you know, it been so rough. I had a rough life growing up. It felt like I D.I.E. and came back. I need some answers, see, but nobody wanna say I was on the respirator. And then they wanna be a dominator 15 years later, but you need to understand it. That is my group, y'all niggas know, y'all seeing it. It's Mr. Master in there, but they not here. It's all about Mr. Diamond. People wanna disappear like a magician. They just told Lil Wayne get out of the kitchen. I'm cooking, but he ain't wanna listen, so he got out anyways. I gotta say, it's so easy. Nobody understands me what I say. But understand this is ballin' in the game. People don't like me, and I don't like them. So I gotta say, this is so easy again. It's so easy to be here when I disappear. Haters hate on these dot, cause they don't know me dead. They wanna hate on me, so I let them hate. They better hate on me like they pray for the fate. Nah, you don't know what it is. I just tell these haters I'm a dominated kid. But you need to understand this. I'm never gonna call it cause the DOT. Man, I gotta say I smack the bitch. If she don't even act right, really don't care. She wanna have with arguments with me, right? Nah, I told her not to. She ain't wanna listen, so she telling me that, man. I'm back and I risen from the dead. So I started to run, man. She telling me, oh, you know you wanna nigga is. I said no, I'm supposed to bring out my shotty and blast shit off. Bang, bang. You wanna talk about the bullets in me? Nah, you wanna talk about you love me, but how you gonna love me beyond from the grave? But I really don't even care, nigga, you don't got no life and that's lame. I mean, it gotta be made, but understand this, you gotta be so lame. You dealing with the pain and you dealing with me, but I already told you how I feel in this industry. You wanna leave me and do what you please, I really can care less what you really wanna with me when I go. You talk about the game, you know, but understand I really got that hard for us now. No, you know that you know me. Looking at a girl like I'm straight, I'm lonely. Check your game, but you barely know me. But I told you girl before, it's DOTB. Check my reality. Go back to the basics. It's D-Dot, man. I'm never gonna call it quits cause I'm gone. Just to let you know, that's the freestyle. A lot of people understand me. I'm DOT, man. I spit very simple. It's so good. Shout outs to Anita Baker.